Hey everyone, so my shift knob and boot are pretty worn. The boot has a few holes in the leather and the knob itself spins around on the shifter, which makes shifting gears difficult and dangerous. So I needed something new. I purchased a new leather BMW shift knob and this custom Alcantara boot from Kobe Wheel. So here's how I installed these new items. First, I removed the old knob by pulling it upwards carefully, keeping my face out of the way. Then I squeezed the sides of the boot frame to remove it from the retaining clips and pull it out. So here's the new knob. It's very soft and sturdy with a good weight, and it looks great too. As you can see, it's shorter than the OEM knob as well. So I needed to keep the original boot frame as I hadn't purchased a new one. So to do this, I needed to remove the old boot by cutting a small part of it off and then just pulling the rest off. This left behind quite a lot of glue residue and bits of leather. So I tried to remove as much of this as possible with the blade to ensure the new boot would adhere securely. Now here's the new Alcantara boot. It's extremely soft and has nice grey stitching. So I figured out the alignment of the old boot and then lined up the two seams of the new boot with the two top corners of the frame. The boot stretches slightly to fit snugly on the frame. So then I grabbed my last bit of epoxy and applied some around the edges of the frame in a thin layer. It's pretty strong stuff. Then before it set, I stretched the boot back onto the frame, trying not to get the smelly epoxy everywhere. Then I pressed the edges down to ensure they were adhered and let the epoxy set for 30 minutes. As you can see, the boot is now securely attached to the frame. So finally, I just needed to reinstall the boot and knob. The knob should click onto the shifter with some decent force. And that's it. These two beautiful pieces give my shifter a new life. The black boot and knob are elegant but not too flashy, exactly how I want my car to be. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video where I install some CCFL Angel Eyes.